Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a Liverpool home shirt and this is from a new seller. The seller is 2fc.com. It says TOOFC.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link as well, which will take you to the seller that I normally use for them. And then hopefully it will be direct to Liverpool items. This is obviously a retro one because it's got the name John Barnes on it. I have got this for a friend of mine. He's been saying that he wants some Liverpool shirts, so I had a quick look at which retro ones are available. I like the look of this one, and yeah, got him it. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller says 2fc.com. Delivery time, you're looking at about 10 to 15 days for the item to arrive, which is absolutely perfect. But yeah, let's get this bag open and take a look at the Liverpool home shirt with the name John Barnes and number 10 on it. Seller 2FC, all the information in the description of this video. Here we are at the front of the shirt, and it's got quite a large V-style neck collar, and the collar is actually quite thick in itself. The Adidas stripes are embroidered on. That's a separate bit of material. If I come down here, you hopefully can see what I mean. Actually, a lot of the material is see-through. The Adidas has been embroidered into the material, and the Liverpool badge has been embroidered on. I quite like that badge, actually. I think that's quite a nice one. The Carlsberg has been glued on, I'm going to say, and it's got quite a thick texture to it. As we move down to the bottom, you have the Liverpool Football Club official garment, and that's been embroidered on. Actually, look, if I now hold it out, you can see what I mean with the see-throughness. So you've got like a thick standard stripe, and then the one next to it is completely see-through. No patches or anything on the sleeves. We kept this one plain, but we did get a name set on the back, which you can probably tell from the graphic to load this video up, the thumbnail. And there we just have an Adidas tag at the bottom. So that's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around now and look at the reverse side. I quite like this one, but then again it's a retro, so of course I'm going to like it. So yes, here we are on the reverse, and again the thickness of the collar continues around, and then we have the name Barnes and number 10. So John Barnes, number 10 on the back of this one. And this has been heat pressed on, just a standard vinyl. Likewise the vinyl for the number 10. It's got Adidas in it, but as you can see that's a cutout from the vinyl, and that's on both sides. Sleeves look all good, stitching looks nice and tidy under the arms, and on this side nice and tidy again. Moving to the reverse side. Oh, what's that? That's just something in the material. Obviously it's just a little bit of fluff on there because I've been moving it around, but again, as we're on the reverse side, you can see just how see-through this one is. Must have been the style of the shirt back then, the ventilation. If anybody had the official one, please let me know. But that's the reverse side. We'll take a look now at the inside of the shirt as well. But I think this is a proper good retro. Really, really nice one. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and the collar joins around, and there you've got the usual thing that we see with the collar, where one line comes in and the other side comes in, and you just get this chunkier bit there. Moving to the sleeves, you can see now what I mean by the Adidas bit. You can see that it was a separate material, it's folded over there, which has then got the stripes up on that side and onto that side as well. And there. Liverpool crest, I mentioned, has been embroidered on. And to be fair, the stitching looks pretty good on that one. The Adidas, again, it's been embroidered on. And we do have quite a bit of this like card in there. And if you get that and it doesn't come off, sometimes it comes off easy, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, my recommendation is to put some lukewarm water on it. If you get that on there, these will then peel off nice and easy. Like that bit's just come off, look. But if that doesn't come off, because it's actually got another layer, then yeah, some lukewarm water. We've got the Carlsberg, and actually, if I push in, you can see the name set on the back. So that just shows you, because of these ventilation, that it's completely see-through. But yeah, the Carlsberg has been put on there nicely, no creases. Everything looks like it's gone on really quite strong. At the bottom we had the authentic product. I mentioned that was embroidered on, and you can see the stitching lines around there. So again, that's gone on nicely. It's only embroidered around the outside. Look, the middle bit you can move, and it does pop up. But once again, just giving you that see-throughness. But all in all, a nice looking shirt. So that's the first part of the inside done. We'll take a look at the reverse side now as well. Okay, we're now onto the reverse side, and yep, continues to be a nice fit collar on this side, and we've got the tags that come with it. So you've got this Adidas, the sizing on it, and then you've got the Liverpool standard tags that they've got. Just looks like a cheap and cheerful L there, exclusive to Liverpool FC. So I've got a large on this one. This is because I'm going to give this to a friend of mine, and they wanted a large. Obviously, you can see your name set coming through, and again, if we push in there, we can probably just make out somewhere the information. They've got Adidas that side, the Liverpool badge is there. Just because, oh yeah, you can see the Carlsberg, just because, as I said earlier, the material is quite see-through. But all of these have been printed on really well. There's no lumps, bumps or anything. So yeah, you know they're going to last. There's no washing instructions, but the recommendation when washing these shirts is to do as it is now, in all honesty. Flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, let them hang dry. Lovely weather in the UK right now, so perfect for drying your football shirts outside. So there we have it, the Liverpool shirt. And there is our Liverpool home shirt from 2fc.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link as well to the seller that I normally use from there. They have Liverpool items, so it'll be linked direct through to Liverpool. I think they have some retro ones as well, so you might be able to find this one on there as well. But as I said, the seller, I will put a link to them in the description. Delivery timescales, you're looking between 10 and 15 days for the item to arrive, which is absolutely perfect. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, I do like a good retro, and this is definitely one of them. A very, very nice, classic looking shirt. As we zoom out to give that final look, 2fc.com. All the information in the description of this video. As I said, make sure you check back for more videos. We've got a lot more coming up from this seller, other sellers. We've got some more CN fans one coming up. So yeah, check back soon, and also the videos that are live. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.